Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I've got an intermediate shuffle combo for you guys, and this is just one combo out of many that I created for a new course that's on the Shuffle Vault called Intermediate Shuffling. Now, this is designed to take you from a beginner to intermediate and really help you level up your skills. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about that later if you're interested, but for now, let's just get into our combo. Our combo starts out with 2 T-step going to the right. So we're going to go T-step and T-step. So I'm tapping out and cross, okay? Out and cross, both in front of me. So that's 1 and 2 and, okay? Now we are going to do a T-step switch. So what that looks like is I T-step to the side, and then from here, I'm going to transfer my weight to my right foot as I bring my heel over to the right. Ha. Okay, so that transition is just T-step, switch. Okay, again, T-step, switch. Okay, so let's practice that with our 2 T-steps. It's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and. One more time, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, now from here, we're gonna do 2 reverse T-steps. 4 and 5 and. And I'm keeping that same pattern of out and cross. So I'm going reverse and reverse and. So you've already learned the reverse T-step inside the course, right? Now it's just about throwing it together with our other moves. If you need to practice with your foot up, so you can kind of get that foot work down of moving that T-step in the opposite direction, right? Because our regular T-step is going this way in the direction of our foot that's up, and our reverse T-step is just going the other way, okay? So those 5 counts all together are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. Another thing to point out with our reverse T-step, with our regular T-step, we step down when we move over our heel, and then we bring it up when we move over our toe. Step, ha. But with the reverse T-step, it's kind of opposite, right? We step down when we move over our toe. However, if you notice, it's the same position. My foot is still angled outwards when I'm stepping down. Ha. Okay, so do you see how it's the same position when I do this as when I do this? So if you can just remember that when your foot is pointed out in this direction, that is when you're stepping down. Or if we're doing our other leg, same thing, other corner. Ha. You shouldn't be stepping when we're in this position, right? That's not right. It should be this position. Ha, ha. Okay, let's get back into our combo. Let's try those 5 counts together a few times. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. So just going over our combo so far, we do 2 T-steps, 1, 2, switch 3, and 2 reverse. Now our last 3 counts is going to be a crescent glide. We're gonna go back the other way we were going, and we're gonna step out, boom, and jump again, dig your toe into the ground, boom, right here. So this is my anchor point, my right foot, and I'm going to glide my left foot around so that I'm facing the same way I started, okay? So just that crescent glide together is 6 and 7 and 8, okay? Land in this running man, boom, come up to perch, and then we're gonna repeat our combo from there. Boom, boom. Okay, so from the back, let's go over just that crescent glide. So we've done reverse and 6 out and 7 plant. There is a little bit of a hop there when I do it fast. Hop, so I'm trying to exaggerate that. And then glide, weight is here, and boom, weight comes here into this running man stance, and repeat the combo T-step. So So this combo is very grounded, just like shuffling, right? Shuffling looks like you're gliding across the floor, and so should this combo. Ha, ha, ha. I'm not really picking up my feet a lot. It's a lot of sliding and floating, and that's why I really like this combo. Okay, let's go over it from the top now, okay? Real nice and slow. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go T-step, switch, and reverse, reverse, and out, and plant, and glide. Ha! Now for real. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2. Maybe not loop it just yet. You may not have that quite. So let's try it again, just once through. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try it again. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you guys like this combo and are ready to level up your shuffling even more, I created a bunch more combos and a whole new course on the Shuffle Vault called Intermediate Shuffling. Now, what the heck is inside this course? We'll take the foundations that you already know and level them up by giving you some variations and tips on how to make these moves your own. You'll also be learning new moves like spins and glides to just kind of expand your repertoire and give you some more moves to throw into your flow. And you'll be learning some arm movements and upper body to really complete your dancing. That course is now live over on the Shuffle Vault and is included in your monthly membership along with the hundreds of other tutorials and courses that are inside. I'll see you over there. Now, let's get into practicing. Now let's try looping it together. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. T-step, switch, reverse, reverse, out, glide, and ha, he. Okay, let's loop it through again, and we'll do it 4 times total, okay? We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, same thing, but I'm going to face you this time. So you'll still have me to reference, but you won't be able to just copy and look at me. This is really good to practice because it forces you to feel it in your body rather than just copy exactly what I'm doing. And when you can feel it in your body and memorize it in your body rather than just copying it word for word, move for move, then that's when you really have it down, okay? So let's do it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bing. Now we're going to try it to music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys. Hell yeah. There's only one thing left to do. Put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it. That's right. We're doing it on the other side. Ugh, I know I'm the worst, but you'll thank me for it. Let's do it. 2 steps to the left this time. We go 1 and 2 and switch. Plant your feet down. Pivot over on your left, transferring your weight. Reverse 1, up, reverse 2, up, land out, come up, rotate, plant your toe down, glide around your pivot point, and repeat. Ha, 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 ha. One more, and out, and ha, and ha. Again, ha, ha, hoo, he, switch, and reverse, and out, and plant, and glide. Let's do that just once, a few times with counts. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's loop it. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, crescent, glide, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whew, I'm sweating. A little bit faster, looping it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that shit to music. 5, 6, 7, 8. That shit, guys. Whew, good job on completing this combo. It's a lot of slippity slidey of our feet on the ground, but it looks real cool and I really like it. Don't forget, if you want more combos like this, check out the intermediate course over on the Shuffle Vault, and I'll see you over there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.